Since using the Access to Work mental health support service, it's the first time I felt excited about life in a really, really long time. Every single job without fail, I would get really burnt out, really overwhelmed, and I also got diagnosed with ADHD, and that really kind of explained where a lot of the issues were coming from. Staying in structured employment probably wasn't going to work out for me long term, so I retrained as an ADHD coach in the evenings, and it was through that I found out about the Access to Work mental health support service. My coach, Chirag, was the friendliest person ever, so I actually came off the first call in a much better mood. What I've really learned through this process is a lot of us go through these really difficult jobs, thinking that it's our fault and feeling trapped, and actually I do deserve some support, and it's not all on me to make this work. It gave me the confidence to sort of pursue my own career path, supporting other people in workplaces, and that I have the ability to follow what I want to do, and that's phenomenal. Like, it's crazy. So it's been amazing.